What's up, traders? In this video I'm going to review Solomon and I'm going to review his statement, what he did good, what he did bad. So make sure you watch until the end. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's go straight into his statement. So he started trading on the 18th of April. Straight off the bat he had some decent wins, some controlled losses, but he had a very strong close here on cable. So he had 10 lots, around 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, quite a few lots selling cable. So he's very aggressive off the bat, and this was on the 22nd of April, and he was literally just day trading it. Now if we have a quick look at his balance here, we can see that cable trade, we can see all that profit, and he was obviously closing off some more trades. So let's go a bit lower. We can start to see here that he was focusing a lot on sterling, pound dollar, pound yen, but his biggest wins, as you can see, came from cable. He was really in sync with this, and he kept using 5 lots. So he's quite consistent on that. But just look at these losses. Look how small these losses were. He was very controlled in making sure that he was closing these trades off very quickly. Again, big win here, 10% in total on this day, on the 26th. These are, day trades. Some big wins on cable. So he was absolutely focused and very consistent with cable. So let's go scroll down all the way to the actual performance. You can see here he had a profit factor of 2.73, gross profit of 50,000, gross loss of 18,000. So wow, he literally, gross profit was 100%, and his win rate was 38.91%. He was losing the majority of his trades, around 61% of trades. You know, do you have the mindset of to be able to handle those kind of losses? You know, really interesting. What I'm very impressed about is the largest win here was over 10%, and the largest loss was just over 1%. Very impressive. Average profit was 1%. Average loss, wow, look at that. That was less than 0.5%. That was more like almost 0.1%. Very impressive statistics. Maximum consecutive wins was 6 wins in a row, just over 10%. Maximum consecutive losses, there was about 11 trades in a row where he lost, wow, he lost just over 2%. Very impressive. Okay, right guys, I hope you've enjoyed this trader review. Send this video, share this video over with your friends, and don't forget to smash that like button.